Join me in prayer right now and let's call upon the name of the Lord for releasing and breakthrough.
In just 10 minutes, my life transformed as I repeated a sequence of 5 powerful words. These words aligned my spirit with the infinite energy of prosperity, unlocking a path to abundance beyond my imagination. This practice isn't just about wealth. It's a profound way to connect with the flow of universal prosperity. Divine prayer. Divine presence of the universe, the infinite source of all abundance. Today I come before you with a heart full of gratitude and hope, ready to align my spirit with the endless flow of prosperity that you have designed for all your creations. I thank you for every blessing I have received, and for the abundance that is already on its way to me. You are the giver of all things good, and I trust that you have prepared a path of wealth, success, and fulfillment for me. As I utter these sacred words, wealth, abundance, fortune, success, and fulfillment, I ask that their divine energy vibrate through every cell of my being, resonating with the frequency of limitless prosperity. May they become powerful keys that unlock doors to all the opportunities, blessings, and resources destined to enrich my life. I declare that all barriers, doubts, and fears that have held me back from receiving abundance are now dissolved. Let every block in my path be removed, every chain broken, and every limitation transformed into opportunities for growth and wealth. Open my eyes to see clearly the paths you have laid before me, paths overflowing with abundance, fortune, and joy. Divine Creator, I surrender myself completely to your will and trust in your infinite wisdom. May every thought I think, every word I speak, and every action I take be aligned with the energy of success and the flow of prosperity. Allow me to attract wealth in its many forms: financial gain, meaningful opportunities, fulfilling relationships, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing I am always provided for. Bless my hands so that every effort I make is fruitful and rewarded 100-fold. Bless my mind so that it is filled with creative ideas and inspired solutions that lead to wealth and success. Bless my heart so that it remains open, grateful, and aligned with the energy of abundance. And bless my soul so that it continues to trust in the divine timing and guidance of the universe. May these sacred words, wealth, abundance, fortune, success, and fulfillment, echo throughout the universe, creating waves of prosperity that ripple back into my life. Let this energy touch every aspect of my existence, my work, my relationships, my health, and my spirit. May all areas of my life overflow with abundance, leaving no corner untouched by your divine blessings. I ask that you guide my steps and illuminate my path, leading me to opportunities that bring prosperity with ease and grace. Show me the doors that need to be opened, and grant me the courage and wisdom to walk through them with confidence. Let me recognize every blessing, whether it comes as a financial windfall, an unexpected gift, or a new opportunity for growth. Divine Universe, I trust that you are always working in my favor, even in ways I cannot yet see or understand. I open my heart and my hands to receive all the abundance that you have prepared for me. May my life become a living testament to the power of faith, gratitude, and alignment with your divine flow. Let the energy of wealth, success, and fulfillment radiate outward from me, touching the lives of everyone I encounter. Make me a vessel of prosperity, so that, as I receive, I can also give generously and joyfully. May every blessing that flows to me multiply as it passes through me, creating a cycle of abundance that enriches not only my life, but the lives of those around me. I declare that my life is abundant in every way. I am surrounded by opportunities for growth, success, and financial security. Every penny that comes into my life is a seed that grows into a harvest of wealth. Every opportunity that crosses my path is a gift from you, leading me closer to my highest potential. Divine Creator, I thank you for the lessons I've learned along the way, for every challenge that has strengthened me, and for every experience that has prepared me for the blessings I now receive. I trust that every moment of my journey has been part of your divine plan, leading me to this point of alignment with infinite abundance. As I speak these words, wealth, abundance, fortune, success, and fulfillment, I feel their power resonating within me. I visualize rivers of prosperity flowing into my life, filling every need, every desire, and every corner of my existence. I see myself surrounded by wealth, not just in material possessions, but in joy, love, peace, and purpose. May this prayer serve as a powerful magnet, drawing to me everything I need to live a life of abundance. May it amplify my faith, strengthen my spirit, and align my actions with the energy of success. Let it seal my destiny as one of limitless prosperity, where every need is met, every goal is achieved, and every dream is fulfilled. I'm deeply grateful for the abundance that is already mine, and for the blessings yet to come. I know that the universe is limitless in its ability to provide, and I open my heart fully to receive all that is meant for me. Thank you for filling my life with the light of prosperity, the joy of success, and the peace of knowing that I am always cared for. From this moment forward, I walk in the certainty of abundance. I release all doubt, fear, and hesitation, knowing that I am divinely guided and supported. My life is a reflection of your infinite goodness, and I accept with gratitude all the prosperity you have in store for me. Let the energy of these words continue to vibrate within me, attracting wealth, success, and fulfillment into my life, effortlessly and endlessly. May my days be filled with miracles, and may my nights bring peace and assurance that all is unfolding perfectly. Thank you, Divine Creator, for this infinite flow of abundance. Thank you for the blessings of today, tomorrow, and forever. And so it is. Amen.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Watch this important message right now.